Hey guys, it's me, Toka Payton. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, subscribe, comment, and turn on your post notifications. I want to make a shout out to Romani-GP7BF. Thank you for your comment and support. Today's theme is Twins Beach Day building sandcastles. Alright guys, it's warm out and let's head on over there and have some fun. Okay, I'm gonna go get the kids and see if they're ready. Kids, I'm a gummy bear. Yes, I'm a gummy bear. Kids, what happened? Are y'all ready for the beach? Yes! Okay guys, let's head on over there. We already dropped Alice off at her babysitter's, so she's fine. Hi, do y'all have ice cream? Yeah, this isn't actually an ice cream stand. Do y'all sell sunscreen by any chance? No, sorry. Darn it. Kids, how are we supposed to get you all clean and then we're just gonna be all burnt? Let's go ask this girl. Hi, are you gonna use some of the sunscreen? Because we forgot ours and we didn't buy any. Yeah, I'll let you. You look familiar. You do too. Oh my gosh, you're my best friend from high school. Oh my gosh, you're so tall. Okay, we're here. The DJ's so loud. I know, I'm gonna see if I can turn it up. There's my jam. Okay, girl, we should have got each other's phone numbers. I'm glad we're gonna get each other's phone numbers right now, probably. I didn't bring my phones to the beach. Yeah, I just realized I don't have my phone in my bag. But I'm gonna let y'all have some fun. So here's the sunscreen. Maybe we can go chill maybe over here. Right between here so we can use them up. I have to lay down for a little bit. Kids, there's water guns. First, let's put some sunscreen on. Okay, guys. Okay. I'm gonna go change into my swimsuit. Gotta get this on here. Okay. There we go. Now I'm gonna go surfing. First, I want to go over here and grab a surfboard. Now let's go surfing. Okay, kids, do y'all want to play the or build sandcastles? Both. Okay, you have to do one first. I'm gonna be right here just chilling under the thing. Well, guys, stay where I can see you. And if you go in the water, you have to tell me first, because I don't want y'all going out too far where it's at your waist, because the waves can pull you down and drown. You can drown yourself by going too far. Okay, let's try to build the sandcastle. So we gotta do that. Yeah, and then this one. Yeah, that on top. Maybe we can add some seashells. Ooh, I found another one. Our sandcastle is complete. I feel like we're missing Okay, we gotta go tell Mommy that we want to go in the water. Mama, we want to go in the water. Okay, let's go. Hi, mind if I stand here? Yeah, no problem. I'll move. Thank you. Woo! It won't let us. Whoa. Guys, don't go past there. There's sharks right behind that line. Even the animals, where all the animals stay at, they're always right behind there. Well, I'm gonna stay in this. At least we got floaties. No, my surfboard. I'll go get it. No, lifeguard, she can use mine. That's our 5th one today. Here. I don't know how to get on. Whoa. Hi, Mom. Hey. This is so much fun, Mom. You should hop in. Okay, why not? Hey, kids. Let's pop in. Mom, don't ever say that. It's like so cringe. Okay. Okay, maybe Alice is at the daycare. I'm just getting worried because, what if I don't pick her up that early? Don't worry, Mommy. We'll pick her up early. We can have the most fun in a lot of hours. Jessica, do you even know what you're saying? No. Okay, then don't say it. If you know what to say, say it. If it's something mean, don't say it. If it's something nice, like a compliment, like, your hair is so beautiful today, say it. But if you're gonna just be like sarcastic and say JK at the end, don't do that. It's not very nice to lie to people. You should always be like, here, look what I'm gonna do, this girl. Hey, high school best friend. What's your name? My name is Laura. Oh my gosh, her name is Lauren. No way. By the way, I love your pink hair and matches my outfit. Thank you so much. I feel so blessed. Thank you. You're welcome. Go have some fun. Okay. Okay, that was my childhood best friend when I was in high school. But we haven't got to get our phone numbers because we didn't have phones back then. Here you go again, bringing up phones. Oh my God. Well, let's have some fun. I want to find something in the ocean. Honey, I don't think there's anything in the ocean. I think there's just... Oh my gosh. I see smoke. Guys, out of the water, out of the water. Go, go, go. Childhood best friend. Laura, whatever. Okay, kids, we gotta stay over here. That was scary. Sir, the pool's off limits. Well, the ocean's off limits. You all have to stay on the sand. But I was just tanning and I'm very hot. It's very hot. You should have brought something to drink. Did I? Oh yeah, I brought some pocket juice. Okay, kids, why not just do a water fight? I'll go get. Okay, you do water guns. Well, I'm gonna go get you all some ice creams. Hi, I would like 2 ice creams, please. Okay, 2 ice creams all the way. Okay, what flavor on this one? strawberry. Okay. What's the next one? Chocolate. Okay. Why aren't you making the strawberry first? Because we already got this made and we can always add the toppings. Okay, what toppings do you want? I want this, please. A cherry on top. And maybe an extra sweet. There you go. The ice cream's always free. You can always come here anything you want. And if we had money, we would always give you 10% discount. Because it would usually cost $50. Just for an ice cream? Yes. Jake, hey! Here's your strawberry ice cream. Did you just eat it? No, I didn't. Totally not. Okay, here's your toppings that you asked for. Thank you. You got really good service. I might come to this beach a lot. Kids, here you are. Strawberry! Chocolate! Jessica, you're gonna get diarrhea when we get home. You're gonna have a really sugar rush and you're gonna get a stomach bug. Aww. Still water fight. Stop, I have ice cream in my hand. My ice cream cone fell, but I ate the ice cream first. 5-second rule. Ah! You're getting me wet, Lauren. Who called my name? I'm talking to my kid. Oh. Ah! I wonder what happened. Oh, hi, sir. Hi. Do you know what happened to the ocean? No, it just shut down. I think I saw a smoke bomb over there. Yeah. Guys, I'm an old lady. Hey, we're doing a water fight. We don't want to get you wet, Mom. Ow! Oh my gosh. Woohoo! Mom, sacrifice me. This is my gate. Then the entire back area is mine. Hey, can I hide over here? Ma'am, you gotta get out. No. Get over here. Ah! No, my water gun. Ooh, 2. That's not fair, Mom. She won't give me my water gun back. Here, fine. Mom, I'm tired. Okay, guys, just lay down. Oh, I'm so tired. While they're laying down, I'm gonna actually go grab an ice cream myself. Have like vanilla. Okay. Do you want some toppings? Yes, please. Thank you. Bye. Oh, I actually see if I can go surfboarding. Is the pool open? I mean, the beach. No, sorry. Okay. Well, might as well. Hi, is this basket yours? Cause I just found it and it's been sitting in our area. And we've been wondering. Yeah, I just took it. I just wanted to eat something, but it's mine now. No, it's mine. It's been sitting in our area. Ugh! How'd you know? We literally bought the... Kids, I bought some more stuff. What? Pineapple! Mom, I'm gonna eat it. eat it. They won't let me eat it. It looks spiky. It's flowers, Mom. How'd y'all know? Well, I got y'all some burritos. Who wants this one? I don't like big ones. I like small ones. This is actually really good. Guys, I got some bubbles. Look. Okay, I'm gonna blow bubbles at y'all. Here you all go. Bubbles! Whoa! Our sandcastle! Ah! Oh my god, this is embarrassing. Jessica! Get over here. Lauren, calm down. I'm okay. Jessica, get over here. I'm very disappointed. But our sandcastle fell over. Doesn't mean you have to scream. This is supposed to be fun. Okay, I guess I'll get over it. That's how I like to hear. Thank you. I'm sorry. Now you want to come say sorry? Fine, here. Yay! Mama, I don't want more bubbles. I'll play with seashells. Okay. Lauren, she's gonna go play with seashells. You wanna go with her? Yes! Yes, yes, yes! Let's go find some stuff. Doobity-doo-doo, doobida-ba-doo. Seashells. I like this one. I like this one too. Very fancy. Very fancy. Okay, guys. Thank you again for visiting my channel. Stay tuned for next time. We will be going on an airplane. Find out where we're going.